Hi, here is the Nikon TW105 overall conditions. Okay, here is the battery compartment. Just twist like this to open it. You're using one CRP2 battery. Okay, go accordingly, push it in and lock it. Next is to swapping here up to open it. Inside will be like this, and here is the film. Oops. About the film, we need to slide into it here to make sure that the center point of the film have met into the motor. Yeah, and push it in. And the film tip, we pull until here will do. Okay. Then make sure that your film is flat and just close it. And you go to lock. When here show figure 1, which means that now you can start shooting. Then swipe here to on it. And here's to zoom in and zoom out. Here's the shutter. And here's the viewfinder. We'll look into the viewfinder. You'll find out at the center point there, got a dot. Yeah, see? There's a bracket or a dot at the center point. So you just use that center point to aim to the object you want to focus and half press. Yeah. And you see now the green light is keep blinking, which means that it can't focus, right? Because it's too near. So maybe you aim far a bit, then yeah, it will light up like this and it doesn't blink, means that it's okay to shoot. Then just click it. And when it have the red light, which means that it will have flash. Yep. Then here is the flash setting. Now it's fully auto, and I would recommend you put it at fully auto will do. And this one is like the double flash, off the flash, force flash. Then this one is flash with slow scene, which will have a slower shutter speed, and means that you need to hold it properly. And usually for like you want to take some moment peak like that, then you can try this. Okay, then next is the AF. Now it's wide AF. This one is landscape, which it will auto focus to maximum infinity to shoot it. Then this one is like the portrait. Yeah, this one is small people, so it will like it will adjust by itself lah, like zoom in, zoom a bit to shoot. And this one is like half body. Yeah, and this one is like kind of like passport pic. It will like self adjust for the framing. Yeah, this one is spot AF. Spot AF usually is designed for like backlight situation. Yeah. Then this one is the timer. Click it. Okay. Same. Half press. If it doesn't blink, click it. And here red light up, which means that the timer is counting already. It took around 10 seconds like that. Okay. Then dual timer. Then this one is the continuous shooting, which it will like keep shooting if you didn't release the shutter. Yeah. Okay. Then this one is like 3 different type of shoot. You can like increase like that. Oh, sorry, cannot. This one is with zoom button. Okay. And then yeah, it will like slightly adjust a bit lah. Then the overall is like this, and I think you can, I'm not sure, maybe try with, okay, it's like a different kind of distance lah. Okay, okay, like that means okay. Then here you can also adjust for the compensation mode, which yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, you can adjust it. This one is +1 +2 in order to have a like brighter or darker outcome. Yeah, it's for like designed for like intermediate use lah. If you don't want, you just put it at fully auto will do. Okay, and if you didn't use it, swipe again to off it. And here's the overall, and when you should finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.